Don't you want night without you? I've had to live without you. There's no one left for me. Oh, baby, I don't know what I would do. I'd be lost if I lost you. If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything good in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I, oh, how do I live? My cats, look at them. They're just here with me. Hello, Charlie. Charlie, I love you. Charlie. Mingay. Mingay. Who is it daddy's lap, huh? Every time daddy's come home. Huh, Mingay? You love daddy, baby? Are you a daddy's boy? Mingay. Hello. You love daddy, baby? Oh, you're serious about that, huh? Mingay, I love you. Look at Mingay, how comfortable he is. He really is. Laying in the lap of my husband. So much. He is so in love with his daddy. Mingay, you love your daddy, baby? Is that how much you love your daddy, Mingay? See how comfortable he is? Love you, Mingay. Sub, how can I work now, Sub? How can I work on my computer? Since you were there blocking my way. Sub, look at me, Sub, Aaron. Sub, what's up with you, baby? Sub, why you are on my computer? How can I work now? You're there. Sub, why? Would you mind to get out in there? Sub, guys, oh my goodness. Hello guys, good evening. We are here, we just got home, and Adeline is just got up as well. So today is, what's the date today? Let's see on my phone. Today is 5:55 in the evening, and it's Sunday 25th. So my Adeline dear is here. She just get up, baby. I love this baby. I love my baby so much. We went to Home Depot, guys. I mean, not Home Depot, excuse me. We went to Lowe's to get some flowers. And there's my baby Evelyn. She's so arty, mana. She's so arty. I love my baby so much. Hi, everyone. Smile to them, baby. Smile. Hope you guys have a blessed Sunday. I don't have enough sleep. Bet. Come on, Mingay. Mingay. Come here. Come here. Come on. Sit down here with us. Look at my baby Evelyn. She just sit like a real baby. Look. That's my baby. Okay, guys. See you guys later. Have a blessed Sunday. Hello, guys. Good evening. We just got home from Lowe's, and We're here at home with Adeline. She just got up. So hello guys. That's my baby Adeline right there. It's so hello everyone. That's my Adeline everyone. Baby, you miss mommy, baby? Did you miss mommy, Adeline? Oh.
Begins to drop dramatically. Here's the good news. Finally, there's Serovital. Serovital is the first and only amino.
Hi, Tita Carmelita. It's me, Mingay, the brother of your cat from a different mother. Hi, Tita. Condolence. Get better, Tita. Okay, guys. Sab Sab. What you need, baby? Sab Sab. Subsan Idlin is here eating too. Mo naman mong baby Idlin, oy.
Thirsty customers. In this adventurous spirit, today a new cocktail is offered to the guests.
What you doing in there, baby? Oh, my baby Sub Sub. Baby Sub Sub. What you doing?